Hi guys, my name is Post and I'm a Qlik developer for about 6 years now. And today I would like to share with you how to install this extension called Advanced Analytics Toolbox. And the reason I'm doing this is because many people have struggled with this. Look here, we have a comment, people getting an error when retrieving data from R. And here in this tutorial made by the in English, we also have a comment here, sorry, asking for help to install and configure the SSE with Qlik Sense. So I will use this tutorial and also a little bit of the other one. Let's get started. The first thing, we need to go to the GitHub. It will lead us to this page here. Please download the zip file. Okay, and after that we go to this page here, which is this one. Sorry, let me click here. Please download this zip file also. Okay, this is the plugin, and here we have a page where it teaches how to install this plugin. Okay, so I will go back to this page later, and let's go to the Qlik Sense tutorial on how to install R with Qlik. So after we download R, which is in this page here, sorry, we can download R from this page. I will put everything in the comments. Okay, we will go to our file. Just a minute. To our file, and here we need to just change a little bit the path. So let's remove program file. So I believe path is correct. Okay, yep. Yeah, I need to remove the 32-bit file installation and just go to the next and finish. Okay. Okay, so we finished the installation. Now let's open R, see if everything's okay. Yep. Let's try to install the R serve. We have this line here, we can just copy and paste. Let's choose OK. And after that, we need to test if it's done. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be working. Yeah, it's starting. So let's go back here a little bit. So this is the message. I think we did everything right until now. And now we need to install a lot of packages. So you just copy and paste all the rows, all these lines here in this tutorial, and paste in R and click enter. So it's going to take a while, so pause this video and go back later, okay? Fast. Okay, so once it's installed, we can close the R window. Don't need to save. And let's follow. In this step, we're going to copy some files from one folder to another. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, and this one also. Okay, so let's copy these files and put here. Okay, I did it. We don't need this one anymore. And we can run the R serve. So let's double click. Where is it? Oh, here. R serve. Okay. Probably something went wrong because the message we're expecting is this one. Let's give it another try. Okay, now it's okay. Yep. All right, so let's continue. Sorry. To the next step. Now we have actually no server, so we are going to go to the next step, which is for Qlik Sense desktop. Okay, let's go to our right, and in settings.ini, we need to copy and paste this line. Yeah, it was already. So just make sure you have this empty line in the end. All right. Let's see what is next. Okay. Here we have almost everything set already. The only thing that left is starting this plugin. In order to do this, we are going to need to go back in that page. And the thing we need to do is, in order to build this project, we need to download a Visual Studio. So here's the link. Okay, I think it's already open. You can download this software, install on your machine, and once it's done, you can open it. I'm not going to follow these steps. It's pretty basic. And here, oh, actually, we download the extensions, but we didn't copy it to. So these are those two extensions I download from the Git website, and I'll put both on extensions folder. Right? Oh, it was already here. I'll just delete it so it's working like a new installation. Okay, so this is for the Advanced Analytics Toolbox, and this is the plugin. Okay, once we're here, we can open. Let's go back to the website. See, we can open this file here, which is in the C# folder. Okay, So let's go to open project C#, this one, right? And let me show you. Okay, it's opening. Let's wait a little bit. All right. Once it's open, you click onto SSE to R-serve, right click and compile or build, and wait a little bit. It's going to take a little bit, but not that much. I'll pause and go back later. All right, so we're back, and we finished to compile or build our application or project. And once it's done, you're going to get this message as everything is okay, 0 fails, etc. Right? And then this folder here, we're going to have a bin folder and a debug folder, which we have now this file. Okay, with this file, we need to double click it and starting it. And once it is started, we can see this message listening on port 551. All right, and this is the message we were waiting for. All right, so it's here, and now it's done. We need to start Qlik Sense engine, or if you're with the Qlik Sense desktop open, you need to close it and open it again. All right, and let's see, let's test. Let's open the Qlik Sense. Let's try again. Okay, this is my example application, test application, and it seems that's working already. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so if we go back here, you can see that Qlik Sense is sending a message through um, this plugin to R, and R compiles and gives it back to Qlik Sense. So we can use now our application. This is a forecasting analysis. Also, you can create other types of charts here. You can do it. Let me show you very quick. Here is the extension, and you have a lot of types of different analysis that you can make, advanced analysis. Okay, and it's very easy, like this one. We can do it again. Just all. Yep, it's done. All right, I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, please let me know. See you.